Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from Tote, and I have been doing a lot of unboxing lately, but I have been thinking that maybe I should slow down in buying and really use the bag for like at least a couple weeks so that I can do some in-depth review with the bags I have. Let me know which bag you like me to review first. So this is a new release from Coach. It's supposed to be their, I think, spring summer collection, I believe. The weather in Pennsylvania is still kind of cold lately. With this bag coming, I kind of ready for the spring and summer weather to be here so that I can start using the bag. There's a thank you notes from Coach, and then open it up is this Coach New York shipping box. I don't think they put this in gift box. Oh, they actually did. Wow, I didn't ask them to put in gift box, but so I got this bag through my SA Brandon. He has a channel. I will link it below if you want to also get the bag from this collection. You can reach out to him. Let's open it up. Whoever packed this bag, thanks for packing it so nicely, and let's hope it looks perfect inside. Nice packaging. Thankfully, it also comes with a dust bag. I'm quite excited with this one. I haven't seen a kind of a detailed pictures of this bag yet, so this would be the first time I see this bag in person. All the strings are tangled together. Still factory wrap. Since this bag is still not on the website, I'm not sure what they are calling this bag officially, but I think it look like from the tag is called Coach Denim Signature Field Tote. So this one, I believe this one is in size 30. They have one in size 22 and a bigger one in size 40. I usually like to get size 40, but I'll be honest with you that I rarely use my Field Tote 40. Yeah, I love Field Tote 40 and I love buying big bags, but I just don't get many opportunity to use them. And this bag is so pretty that I just want to get it and use it instead of just let it sitting on the shelf. So I decided to get size 30. That way I can really use the bag instead of just admire it sitting on my shelf or sitting in my room. So let's remove the packaging. So here is the bag after I remove all the packaging. Let's look through it. The front with this leather hang tag is in nice color. I'm not sure they treated this leather or not. And then on the back side is basically the same, front and back, other than the hang tag. And then on the side you have this chunky D-ring for shoulder strap or crossbody strap. At the bottom it has the leather panels that go across the bottom and four metal feet. And then let's see if you can see the top here, the thread that you use. It's kind of a little bit like yellow gold color. I love the detail they put on, like this denim button looking thing that really match up the design, really make the design looks complete. And then this bag comes with magnetic closure. Let's test it out. Not the strongest, I have to say. It seems Tote doesn't have the best magnetic closure compared to Coach backpack. It's reasonable, but not the strongest, I have to say. And then inside the bag, it has this fabric lining. It's kind of a pale blue fabric lining. On one side it has this their story patch, and then a zip pocket that's not very deep, probably just enough to put a wallet, I think, or your phone. Surprisingly, I wish they could do the pocket a little bit deeper. And other than that, on the other side it just empty, nothing on the other side, no slip pocket. That's why I always like the Coach Dempsey totes from the outlets, because with Coach Dempsey totes they have zipper pocket on both sides and then extra slip pocket on both sides, I believe. So you have a lot of pockets for organizing your stuff. Compared to Tote, it's very straightforward. But I do think that with Tote, their quality a little bit higher. The material they use seems a little bit nicer. And this one is Coach Tote 30, and I have my Coach Tote 40 here. So here's a size comparison. I cannot resist every time I see a denim tote. I think at this point I have so many denim totes already. I have the Coach Dempsey Tote, the denim one from the outlet, and then I have the tote bag, Marc Jacob tote bag in denim. And then last year they did a collaboration with Babe, and that was also in blue color, but that one was in chambray fabric, but it looks kind of similar. The style is a little bit similar. That one has a turn lock closure. So at this point I think I have had enough denim tote bag that probably could last me for next 5-10 years. So I think Coach can maybe take a break from releasing denim bags. Let's try some other stuff so that I can continue to buy more. But I think this is a good size. I'm happy with this purchase, because with this size I could use it for my everyday errand runs and my lunch outing. Compared to Tote 40, seems a little bit overwhelming sometimes, especially on the side. Coach Tote 40, the depth of the bag is so deep that you literally can carry a lot of stuff, and when you carry it on beside your body, it seems a little bit much for just regular quick outing. So with this Tote 30, it just feels like a happy medium in terms of how much you can carry and how big the bag is. So yeah, I'm so happy with this purchase that I wish I could show you properly because this Coach signature C logo is kind of like embossed, like the emboss on the leather. You could actually feel the fabric kind of it has this texture from this logo raised from the fabric. I don't know how they do it. It's really unique. It's really cool texture they do. It's not just like a whole flat fabric. They really put in a lot of thoughts in this bag. So I really appreciate when the designers really try to add as much as possible without making it too crazy. So I really like this bag and I would definitely recommend it. If you are interested, you can reach out to my SA Brandon. Hopefully he will be able to help you get yours too. I hope you like today's unboxing and let me know if you have any bags that you want me to do in-depth review, and I will get into that soon. So thanks for stopping by and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!